Welcome back, I'm Cutie Lucy. This video is about one of the best makeup luxury foundations for oily skin. Will help you to find the match for your skin. If you want a flawless matte finish, this one's for you. The formula is so good. It is formulated with skincare benefits. So skincare lover girl, this one's for you. It controls while without over drying. It is the Dior Forever Clean Matte Foundation. Now, let's check out the shade. These are the lightest shades. These shades are a great choice for neutral undertones. Neutral means balanced undertone that aren't too cool or too warm. These are the lightest shades. These shades are suitable for cool, rosy undertones, warm undertones, neutral undertones. These are light shades. These shades are a great choice for cool skin tones and cool, rosy undertones. These are light shades. These shades are suitable for neutral undertones. These are light shades. These shades are a great option for warm undertones. These are light medium shades. These shades are a great choice for cool rosy undertones, neutral undertones. These are light medium shades. These shades are suitable for warm undertones, warm olive undertones, warm peach undertones. These are light medium shades. These shades are a great option for neutral undertones and warm undertones. These are medium shades. These shades are a great choice for cool skin tone and cool rosy undertones. These are medium shades. These shades are suitable for neutral undertones. These are medium shades. These shades are a great option for warm undertones, warm olive undertones, and warm peach undertones. These are medium deep shades. These shades are a great choice for cool skin tones and neutral undertones. These are medium deep shades. These shades are suitable for warm undertones, warm olive undertones. These are medium deep shades. These shades are a great option for warm peach undertones, warm undertones. These are deep shades. These shades are a great choice for neutral undertones. These are deep shades. These shades are suitable for warm undertones. These are very deep shades. These shades are a great choice for neutral undertones and warm undertones. These are very deep shades. These shades are suitable for neutral undertones. Do you find your perfect shade? I hope you can. If you're not sure, check out the recap to compare the shade again, so you are easy to find your perfect match for your skin tone and undertone. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like and subscribe to my Cutie Lucy's channel. So, is the Dior Forever Clean Matte Foundation the best foundation for oily skin? I say yes, absolutely. It controls shine, beats lightweight, blasts imperfection, and has a stunning shade range for every undertone. If you are looking to invest in a high-quality foundation, this one is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching. If you are looking for other best foundation, you can check out here. See you in the next videos.